everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some Scrap Diva Design project shares. You can find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using my discount code PRISTREMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. And here we have the Spring Words 2026. It's a really great set to have. It has many phrases and words. And I also have two other words that are not shown here. They're stuck on some other projects that I'm going to show you later on. And I'll just show you the ones that I have here. This one says Happy Easter, and it's really great because you could use this happy on some other, you can mix and match it with other words like Happy Sunshine, or we have Happy Spring. So many different options you can do. And what I did was I used vellum paper for the background shadow pieces that are stitched. It's really pretty. I felt like it softens it up, and then we have the really nice pastel-y colors with the little butterflies fluttering around the words. It's really spring kind of vibes. And so these little butterflies I got from another project that I'm going to show you next. And so yeah, they're really great. And so I have Happy Easter, we have Hippity Hop, Love Grows Here, Wild at Heart, we have Sunshine, Spring, Oh Hello, Butterflies, Welcome, and New Beginnings. I'm just going to move these aside. And next up we have the Spring Memorydex card. The Spring Memorydex card, you can see this other word in full bloom. And then here is the butterfly border where I got the little butterflies. And it includes these little flying butterflies on the side here, these gold ones, and as well as these two birds, and it's included. And I've added some butterfly sequins and some round sequins in there. And this paper collection is Poppy and Pear by Be Valent. And these two flowers are from my stash, and this flower is actually from Scrap Diva Designs as well. It's called the Desert Rose. I'll put the link down in the description box below. It's really, really pretty. Just love it. And yeah, it's a Memorydex. You can put it on if you make a box of your own, or you have bought a box that is for Memorydex, you could like put it in, or one of those scrolling Memorydex ones. And my husband printed me this 3D one. I'll put a link if you have a 3D printer and you want to make the stand. And so yeah, it's like you can stand it up like this. So cool. You can even put a picture in the middle here if you like. It'll be nice as well. So that's the Spring Memorydex. We have the Spring Memorydex there. And then let's move on to the next project. The next project is really awesome. It's called, maybe I'll show you the Fringed Eggs first. The Fringed Eggs. Oh, here's the last word. So extra. It's so cute. And then on the bottom of the So Extra are these Fringed Eggs. They're so awesome. And they have these like little speckle papers. And these speckle papers are like, just like those ones that you see out in nature. So I thought they were like really cool. And I added some stickers, and this fringe comes with like 3 layers, so you can cut them many different lengths as you like. And I did like, there's like a solid piece at the bottom, so you can just have a solid egg without the fringe if you like. So there's so many options and it's like so cute. And yeah, these are like little stickers that have some kind of like clear coating on it. And then let's talk about this. Another project on top of a project is I mean, at the bottom of this egg fringe is this 3D egg pocket, which is really, really cool. It includes this pattern piece on the back here. You could do many things with this. You could even make it 3D and put something behind it. And it also includes this really cute bow that you can use somewhere else as well. And these flowers as well. And I put a layer of vellum on top of the petals. So yeah, it's like alternating. So it includes these flowers. So it's a really nice set. And I just love this. It's a really nice size. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a chocolate in, chocolate bunny. This chocolate bunny is called Lou. So cute. I got it from I don't know how to pronounce it, Ladder Rash. So cute, this chocolate bunny. It's raspberry flavored, and the rabbit has the name over here. It's so cute. It doesn't look so nice in this egg pocket. It's so perfect, and you can put more stuff in here. So I'm like, yeah, you could put more treats, like pencils, whatever you want to gift for Easter. And it doesn't have to be Easter theme either. So yeah. And then here's the final project. I have more projects that I'm gonna show you in another video that I'm still making the projects, but this is the final one for this video. And these ones are called the Slimline Bunnies. Look how cute they are. So you have a big one, a medium one, and a small one. And it includes the nose. It's so adorable. And I just added the eyes with a white gel pen. When I'm looking for it, it's like not here. The white gel pen is like Jelly Roll and Sakura. That's the brand. And I have so many. I bought a whole box of them, but they're really great to add on shiny surface. It'll stick on there. So we have, I've actually named it, since like this chocolate bunny is named Lou, so I decided to name my slimline bunnies. So the small one, I named it Lola. I put it at the bottom here, Lola. And then yeah, you can add it onto here. You can write messages on this bunny, front and back. Luna. And then we have Moki. Yeah, so I just like, they're so cute. So yeah, these are all my projects for now. I have more to come, and I really hope you enjoyed these projects. And yeah, and I'll put my discount code is PrisJamic10 down below for 10% off your entire purchase. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!